In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a contributor on Squarespace. First things first, head over to Squarespace by opening your favorite web browser. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that. If you've connected your Google account with Squarespace, you'll see an option that says Continue with Google. This makes it easier to log in without remembering another password. Click on it and proceed to select your Google account from the list provided. After you've successfully logged in, you'll need to access your website's dashboard. Look for a section or a link that takes you directly to your website on Squarespace. It could be visualized as an icon or text representing your site's name or thumbnail. Once on your website's dashboard, it's time to navigate to the settings. There should be a clear settings option. Clicking on this should take you deeper into various configurations related to your website. Inside the settings menu, you'll want to locate the permissions and ownership section. This is where Squarespace manages who has access to what within your site. It's essential for controlling the roles and access levels of each contributor connected. You'll need to click on permissions and ownership again, just to delve even deeper into the settings that specifically govern permissions associated with your site. Once you're in the permissions section, you will see a list or profiles of people you've invited as contributors. It's here you can manage the access levels or remove someone entirely. Navigate through and click on the profile of the person you wish to remove. After selecting the desired contributor's profile, you should spot 3 dots or an options menu associated with their profile. Click on it to reveal more actions you can take. In the options displayed, there will be a Cancel Invite button. This option is used if the contributor hasn't accepted the invitation yet. However, this button effectively removes their pending access. Upon clicking Cancel Invite, a confirmation dialog box will appear. It's always good to double check decisions that impact your website's administration. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and click Confirm. And that's it, you've successfully removed a contributor from your Squarespace website. Remember, managing your site's contributors effectively ensures only the right people have access to make changes to your website. Always review contributor permissions routinely to maintain your site's integrity and security. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Drop a comment below if you have any questions or share your experiences managing contributors on Squarespace. Your feedback helps us create content that's more aligned with your needs. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.